Ja, mijn broers, killers en shooters. Gewoon moet net in die hoeders.
Yo, it's D-Rock, the GOAT. It's your favorite white boy reactor from the Bay. And what's good, familia? We got no one other today on the hot seat today in JD the Don from PE. You know that Cape Town most has the Don that is 21 promo. But now here in PE we have our own Don in PE. JD the Don. I mentioned this in the previous video, but nah, this is the Don Dada. The Don Dada killer.
What the fuck? No!
That's why the thing is called Shooters and Killers and Shooters. It's a 2026
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
track. And one thing, this man is keeping with his consistency, I say. From the last time that I did a reaction and I mentioned about his consistency, I see that he's been keeping that same consistency up to this day with dropping tracks like back and forth almost every single day. And yo, that is just so impressive to see. I know that the P Hip Hop Award is going to be lit as fuck. Yo, this P Hip Hop Award is going to be something else now that JD has stepped into the rap scene and like officially became one with the rap scene. This P Hip Hop Awards, nah, it's gonna be next level. It's gonna be probably better than all the P Hip Hop Awards so far. But I'm just here for the ride and I can't wait to see what happens at the P Hip Hop Awards. Coming up sooner here, so away. But I know you guys have missed me. I know you guys have been wondering, yeah, it's been 3 days. Where's this man? Where's D-Dog? We're waiting for that next reaction. But
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
yeah, I am and I'm back like I never left. Like G5 says, we never died, we only multiplied. And here I am reacting to Jada the Don, Killers and Shooters. Let's get into it because I'm excited for this one, man. Okay. This is that Bad and Bougie beat, ne? This is exactly that Bad and Bougie beat. You know that, hot cock, cooking a cock in a hot top. No, I don't even know that track. I can't even tell you one rhyme from that track or one bar from that track. I don't know that track like that, but I just know that this is that beat. Now let's see if English South African bruh or Afrikaans rapper, South African rapper can actually do something like amazing on this beat, because you know this is an overseas beat. It's used by overseas artists, and I've never heard a rapper in South Africa rap on this beat. So let's hear it.
2,000 years later.
Hear it. Jada the Don.
Young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Kicker, Staler, pizza, grader, baby, saw me every day.
Oh my god! Wow!
I'm overpay, okay, ons I'm overpay. Ons praat van deals op die side, okay. I slide in a major way, they die, I don't think else I win.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Don't shoot me, my bro, for reacting to this, ne? Whatever I say in this, ne? Don't do a drive-by or slide on me and want to shoot me, die. I don't want to die. Dude, don't die today. I die tomorrow. I don't die today. I die yesterday.
You die. Not yesterday. Today. You die.
Yes, don't attack me, my bro.
Killers and shooters, gewoon moet net in die hoeders. My bitch moet always in die moeders. My tijd kan bij je listhoeders, ja. My broers, killers and shooters, gewoon moet net in die hoeders. My bitch moet always in die moeders. My tijd kan bij je listhoeders, ja. Oké, ja. Bij mij net, ik heb de hit wat ik drop in die niggas blijf bij. Ik weet dat ik warm is, maybe top one ook is, maar die industrie wil strijd.
Sure, I'm so hot that these industry people are complaining, like putting down my flame and shit. They're saying that I'm not that hot, even though I'm so fucking hot. I'm so warm. The industry's trying to deny it. The industry's trying to deny this, bruh. That's what a thing about this industry, ne? If you an artist, never be discouraged by what other people say, because I'm not trying to put in names or anything or put in blames where these high people are and shit. But there's certain people in this industry that like run the industry on who makes it famous and who doesn't, and who blows up and who doesn't. Besides,
You gotta disconnect the electromagnetic wires from the mind frame to extract the densest gamma radiation. Boy, look, we got ourselves a fucking evolutionary physicist over here.
you now promoting yourself and marketing yourself and getting yourself out there, there's always a few people that push other people or make the other people more famous than you could, even though you might be better than this person, and blah blah blah. The industry is just rigged. That's all I'm gonna say. The industry is rigged. And don't come shoot me. If I die tomorrow, if you see on the news that D-Dog, the reactor, is gone and blah blah blah. So it's Jeffrey Epstein or the industry.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Ja, ja, ja. Bij mij net niet dat de hit wat ik drop en die niggas blijkt kijk. Ik weet dat ik warm is, maybe top one ook is, maar die industrie wil strijden. Maar dit hulle dan teen my. Ik weet ik is different way, my style is consistent. Ik grind en ik rhyme en ik sit die week en every day. Nobody ik moet. Damn! Voor players, ik wave die way voor die haters, die rappers, die singers en sinners en rokers en drinkers. Damn!
So I paved the way for all the cuck rappers and all the singers and all the druggies and all the alcoholics and everything. Just that is a big statement to claim, though, that you pave a way for other Owens, for other artists out there. That's a massive statement to claim, ek sê.
Wat samen wil staan, ik chase mijn dealers. Studeer mijn patsa looks slice, drama die kennis. I show up, I show up, I show up. Ik trap een world wat ik lijn soos een baas. Damn! Teachers my pa mee gaan wijs dat ik meer aan.
Okay, I must say, this Badge and Bougie beat was killed, ek sê. This thing was killed by this man. Somewhere by a whitey, my bro. By the fucking white Don from PE, I'm surprised the white bro is gonna be able to kill this thing like this, bro. But I'm not surprised though. It's JD the Don. This man's got that style and that swagger to be able to back up beats like this, ek sê, with his lyricism and his bars and all of that.
Kom of niks van het gaan maak. Maar kijk nou waar ik geraakt. Ik is bij me en die subject. Zoek je beste, ik zie suspect. Iemand aan mijn side op een weekend. Elke dag bij mij is het weekend. Kan veel weekend.
He's a suspect because he's doing a homicide on this beat. He's murdering this beat. You know, he said most in that bar for bar challenge. His first thing. He did that same thing there, like San says. Extra beat murderer D, a beat murderer hier. Kom jou lights vat nou 'n seat. My flow is geturbocharged. Dit lyk soos ek as hy soos P. Dis.
Smart nigga wat skaak speel. Bly ek by me op defense. Julle kan plot en plant in my. Ek het trek by me aan my skyf en hou my paas. En dan blaas ek my future uit.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
That is the hardest weed line I've ever heard in South Africa my whole entire life. I puff on the cheese and then I blow out my future. Just. Because if you guys don't know, JD the Don is not just a rapper. This man does a lot of shit. I'm not going to mention everything, but I'm going to mention one thing that's going to relate to what he just faced there. This man sells weed. This man is a herbalist. A pure herbalist, you know. This man sells all the good greens that you need. Everything about the greens that you need. So hit him up if you guys actually need something. If you're staying in Uitenhage or around Uitenhage. Hit him up, he will hook you up. But you see, he's puffing on that cheese. And he's blowing out his future because he's got a future in selling weed. If that's the right way to say what that bar, that's what I think.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
driving wheels beside, okay. I slide in a major way, they die. I don't take else, I win. My bruisers, killers en shooters. Kroon moet net in die hoeders. My bitch moet always in die moeders. My chase kan by let's do this, ja. My bruisers, killers en shooters. Kroon moet net in die hoeders. My bitch moet always in die moeders. My chase kan by let's do this, ja. Blonde rooms, jerseys, perkies, alles wordt geskreven. Bro, ik ken die tijd. Een decade in die game. Ik zag ik groen zoek fame. Ik zoek een caramel, kom voor een plane. Die struggle is really.
He doesn't care to jog for the fame. He's not doing it for the fame. This man's not doing this shit for the fame. He's not rapping for the fame to get famous or anything. He just wants a name for himself. Wait, what did you say that you want?
Grind every day. Ik heb wel Monday to Sunday pay. Alles wordt geschreven. Bro, ik ken die tijd. Een decade in die game. Ik zag ik groen zoek fame. Ik zoek een caramel, kom voor een plane. Die struggle is really.
He just wants a car and he wants to be sorted out. That's the only way. He doesn't care to get the money to be famous or anything. He just wants to get his car and do his thing in life. You know, he wants to sort out his peoples, wants to sort out his hood and sort out his family. I respect that. I respect that so much, ik sê.
Grind every day. Ik heb wel Monday to Sunday pay. Ik zoek een dood van mijn driveway. Ik wil kan speed op die highway. Ik kan stem met die sprite, bay. Twee bad bitches die langs mij. Bakkie en cheese met de dab, bay. Paar pre-rolls met hairspray. Schoon Johnny Walker met ijs, bay. Morgen gaat ons bij die huis, bay. Bij mij gezeep en hard gerook op een plak. Rooi oors met uitmaak. Die light die is bij mij geblaas. Ja, Lucie brengt allerlei dagen van die plaats.
Now listen, that's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing about that.
White putty bring all that dagga from the plaas. Because you know that rumor that every white bro is apparently a plaas boer. Every white man out there is apparently a plaas boer. Now this man saying he's bringing the ganja from that plaas. Because you know you guys say that we boer and all of that now mos. Now he's bringing that dagga from the plaas. That dagga from the farm. And you guys assume that we run and all of that. Just.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
See, put a rock by 60 ton. See, PE ton.
Platinum sunset in kaas. Genoeg met die flex om ek wys visie baas. Moet daar raak by 60 ton. Woi, my naam lê oral staan nou op die straat. Ja, strate. Almal wil praat van my wa. Ja, strate. Almal weet ek sien eyster. Ja, strate. Julle beter 'n mooi luister. Ja, strate. Ek is bietjie beter as die beste. Ek style, die picture, kry dit. Ek is saam met everyday work. Want hulle almal wil pay. Okay, ons almal wil pay. Ons praat van deals op die side, okay. I slide in a major way, they die. I don't think else I win. My brothers, killers en shooters. Kroon moet net in die hoeders. My bitch moet always in die moeders. My chase kan by let's do this, ja. My brothers, killers en shooters. Kroon moet net in die hoeders. My bitch moet always in die moeders. My chase kan by let's do this, ja.
Yeah. Wait. Just I must have said I wasn't expecting that. That's actually better than I expected it to be. That is actually way better than I expected it to be. I thought that this thing was gonna be so trash. I'm not gonna lie, JD, don't shoot me. Don't come do a slide on me. You wanna shoot me now. But I didn't think that this thing was gonna be that good. So this thing actually surprised me. It amazed me, this track. I must say that this is definitely a certified banger. It's definitely one for the books. I must say that this is definitely one for the books. And I hope you guys enjoy that one. I'm going to leave the official link of this track in my description below for you guys to check it out and stream and give it a like and just keep updated, because I heard that JD is dropping a EP or mixtape soon. So keep updated with that, keep posted with that, because it's coming in and it's coming in hot, ik say. Just like this reaction came in so fucking hot, ik say. Just don't get a script now, because I'm jumping and everything. This track made me excited. It's my first reaction of the day. And I feel like I couldn't do any better reaction than this today for the starter of the day, ek sê. But yeah, that was Jada the Don, Killers and Shooters 2026. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you're new here and you just did, oh yeah, you were aesthetic. Say, like the video, turn those notifications on, and stay tuned for the next one because you know we're gonna be dropping bangers upon bangers upon bangers and nothing but the bangers for the books. That's why it's called the bangers for the books because it's only bangers for the books. You see, exactly. Ek sê, away. But yeah, I'm going to leave a WhatsApp group, by the way, in my description below for all you artists that are watching this. For each and every artist that is watching this, to plug every single link that you can into that group of your latest tracks or your latest music videos that's out on YouTube. So I can react to it, man, and do some reactions to it and get updated on all the latest shit that's coming here into South Africa. I don't even care if you're not a PE artist, join that group. South Africa means to join that group. But yeah, there was another banger for the books with D-Dog, the GOAT, bruh. Stay tuned for the next one, familia.